here's how you can block adult sites on the iPad. Let's get started, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So you need to open up the settings app, of course, and in the left section find the screen time section. In there, this allows you to track the usage of the iPad, so you can see which apps have been used, but also set up some sort of restrictions. So you can go to the restrictions, which are managed or, clicked right here, and you have to enable it with the toggle and then go to the App Store, Media, Web, and Games, because we are interested in the web section. So we're going to go there, scroll down a little bit, and we have the web content. There are three options to choose here. There's the unrestricted access, full access, right? Then we have the limit adult websites and also only approved websites. The only approved websites is the most strict you can go about it, because you only select websites which are going to work and nothing else outside of that. But something in between is going to be the limit adult websites. Generally, all of the adult sites are going to be blocked, but you can also add websites to the blocked list or make sure that some websites are always allowed, right? So you can, for example, type something in here in the never allow, and you can literally paste like a URL, and that website is not going to work on the iPad. So that is, I think, the option which is suitable for a lot of people. That's how you're going to do this. One more thing though, in the main screen time section, you can set up a passcode, which is going to be separate and distinct from the one you use to unlock the iPad, and that is for the purpose that nobody else can change these settings, right? So it is actually pretty good, because that makes sure that you have everything in control. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. I really hope I can help. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the future tutorials as well.